So, talk to me about the what you've got going on the top here. All of these stitches that are on the top.
Okay.
How did
Now,
we do those?
those were done on a long arm
Mm-hmm.
by someone else besides me.
Okay.
I am in the process of learning this process, okay?
Okay.
That there's many ways to do it. People do it on their home machines. People do it on long arms.
Mm-hmm.
People do it on long arms with software. That's how this one was done, on a long arm with software that virtually does it itself. The design, you still have to roll your quilt, pull your quilt, and all of that stuff.
Right.
But it,
Pin it all together. Make
right,
sure it's all going to stay together
right.
correctly. Yes.
And so then you program the software that sits on top of the long arm, and off it goes.
Right. Right.
You can sew any type anything together that you want. I would stay away from, if you were making a quilt, say like this, just blocks.
Right.
I would stay away from knits.
Okay.
Okay, in your t-shirts you've got knits, but you're going to stabilize them real well. Okay,
Right. And that just
it's a
means that we're going to
different
make them
process.
so that they are easier to sew.
Yeah,
Right.
and then we're
Basically.
going to sew cotton around them to stabilize them.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I would
So that it
not make
easily goes through the sewing machine.
a regular pattern quilt, something like this or a couple of the other ones I have hanging around here. Um, I would not use knit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
And the
nothing
reason that we say that
stretchy.
knit stretches, right? It's
Right.
something that when it goes underneath your sewing machine, you can't guarantee it's going to look the same on the other end, and you got to make way too many adjustments and
Right.
pay way too much attention. So cotton's a
Absolutely.
lot easier because it's going to grip a little bit
Right.
better.
Oh yeah, it does. You know, and like I said, here at Precision, we're acquiring a lot of batiks. We've got we've got like 18 different colors right now, and we've got more coming in.